I haven't been to this spot in years. We got a 2-story Nike outlet out in San Clemente. We got the women's section downstairs. Upstairs we got the kids section right there, men's section over here. You get 30% off the back wall. And in the size 10s, apparently they got a ton of these tech challengers right here. 110, Air Max 95 Big Bubble 150, Structure Plus 120, Metcons down here 75. Got 4RMs right here, $80. Got some Nike structures right here. The colorway is crazy. LeBron's right here, 120, 135 for these Air Max 2017s. Got trainers, LeBron trainers right here, 130, pretty dope colorway. Michigan Dunk Highs, 110. We're seeing a lot of repeats. This is the size 9.5 section. We're seeing a ton of repeats. This is the 9.5 section right here. It looks like they cleared out. Looks like they cleared out a lot of the aisles just recently. Also got 30% off clearance apparel. We got Jordan shirts, 25. That's a large. Yeah, they got a lot of t-shirts. I've seen a lot of these. Why is it so hot in here? What the hell? T-shirts, hoodies, right here. No tag. More t-shirts. This long sleeve. Not bad. No tag again. Got two tiny little racks right here. These are like the smallest racks. What's up with that? We're checking out the back wall in the men's section. Oh, what is this? What the hell? A men's? Size 2.5? What the hell? Size 5? What the hell? Size 3.5. Why is this listed as a men's? That's crazy. Size 8. Look at all the Kobe's. Got you with the Kobe 9 Elite Lows right here. Got them for $160. Get that extra 30 off on top. They got you in the size 7s as well. Isn't that grade school? That should be grade school. Don't have that many 8s and seeing a lot of repeats. What's up with that? A lot of repeats. Got Monarchs right here, all black, 55. That's a pretty solid price if that's your thing. And I told you guys a lot of repeats. In the size 9 more repeats, structures. Got cleats, $60, $50, and then more repeats that we've seen everywhere. 90 for these bad boys right here. Also, I didn't realize they got the back wall, and then they have this right here where you got some fleece shorts. $30. $30. These boys. Oh, it's a kids XL. 24/7. Super bright golf shorts right here. Hella bright. Matches the tag 45. 24/7. These sweats right here, 55. These golf slacks? Yeah, I think these are golf slacks right here. Really good quality, 130. Got a ton of the 24/7. Got slacks, fleece shorts, $30. Oh, hold up. Yeah, everybody's been adding polyester, man. 80% cotton, 20% polyester. These the Mamba pants, Mamba sweats right here, $60. Kind of that jersey material, two-tone shorts, Nike shorts. $45. Speaking of two-tone tech fleece, right here, 120. Then we have a few other things, nothing too interesting to be honest. All kinds of random stuff, 30% off. Mamba hoodie right here. We've been seeing a bunch of these. Are they still 60, 30 off? I think that's kind of been the going rate. Oh, 40, 30 off. It isn't extra small though, so extended size price probably. Got a red one right here in a size medium. Those are down to 40 as well. They got a few of them. Ooh, they got this one right here, $40 for these hoodie, 30% off, so $28 for Mamba hoodie right here. That's not bad. They got them in like mediums and smalls. They got 24 7. This is a jacket. I don't know what the hell this is. Like a short sleeve jacket or something. 70 bucks. Stuff right here. I think this is all 30% off as well. Some hoodies, t-shirts. This is a crazy looking jacket right here. 125. It isn't extra small, but it's oversized. So yeah, it's store fit for 125, 30% off. Colors like pretty insane though. Bigger size. What? 11 and a half? That's kind of a theme today. Seeing a lot of repeats. Everything here. Revolution, some budget runners, but like yeah, everything. I feel like they're repeats. Something kind of different, I guess. Flat Legacy 65. The 12 Air Max DNs 130. Dunks 100. Oh, oops, 90. 12 and a half Luca 5s right here. Crazy colorway 135 for these. Size 13 Pegasus Plus 130. Nylon Cortez right here 80. Ooh, Vomero Plus 135. These are size 12. Oh man, these look so freaking comfortable. Vomero Plus. Damn. With these GT Cut 4s, 2 bills, size 15, size 16, 210. And these look definitely, oh yeah, these are size 13s right here. That's about it, man. Before we move to the aisles, do have a couple random things here. I like this ACG. It's like a sling that you put around, but look at this, $70, 70 effing dollars. You did get 30% off, but damn, that's still like $49. I'm good on that. Got knee pads, or this for like volleyball? Yeah, I was gonna say volleyball. Yep. But yeah, 20 bucks. Got backpacks right here. Jordan backpack. Kind of a budget option right here. Oh, there it is. $40. And then look, why is this one so expensive? Normally 105. Ooh, it's nice. 105. Not the biggest backpack. Not the biggest one, but the quality definitely seems way better. It better be for 105. Jackets only 40% off. I'm assuming they mean these fleece hoodies right here. $45. They're getting rid of their winter gear, as we've seen at many other locations. 50 bucks. This one explicitly says all fleece. The sweats, $45. These jackets right here, I think I have one of these jackets, 50. That fleece right there as well. All right, let's move on to the aisles. And in the aisle, they got plenty of Metcons. These are the 8s. In black right here. These are the 10s. Free Metcon 6s. Mostly black, mostly white. And that's the same one as over there, huh? I don't know. Oh, that's a 5, and that's a 6 right there. Shocks TLs. Couple of different colorways. Air Max TL 2.5s. They got a bunch of these Air Max DN8s. This is like a Volt one. Pink with dark smoke. Gray, all black. Black and gym red. Royal tint and black. What the hell? And some Air Max DNs. Some Cortezes. Mostly black, mostly white. And you got the signature basketball. We're going to go through these kind of quick because we've been seeing a lot of these. These are the Zoom Freak 7s. Book 1s. The LeBron trainers. And you got a few of the generic J's. And more of the budget signatures over here. I think that's the aisles, man. I think that's it. Ton of backpacks, no extra sales on these though, but $60, not bad for these. These retail for $105. Nike Elites backpacks for hoops, $60 in a couple different colorways. And I think this is this that expensive, Jordan? No, I guess not. A little different. This does feel, feels alright. Feels okay. $40, normally $80. So this upstairs area, this is like kind of a unique Nike outlet because you don't see too many design like this. There's like a kid section right here in the corner. Kind of interesting, you really don't see that too often. Of course, you get 30% off the back wall. Is there anything crazy though? 55 for the Shocks. Forces right here. It's a B grade, go for 90. Well, you should get the 30 off. 90 for the Air Max 95s. 65 for Forces. 65 for the pink ones. 105, really? Dang, dude. 105 for those. Guess you get 30% off, but nothing too exciting. Vomero, 65. And in the aisles, we've been seeing so many generic things. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've seen so many generic. I didn't even go through the men's with half of the generic stuff. But yeah, 60 for the shocks right there. 80 for the Vomeros. This is the entire women's section over here. Starting with the huge sizes. And huge is only what, size 11? Yeah, it says 11. 130. Because I didn't even see any 12, so I see this one right here. But that's it. Some Vomero 18s right here. 135 for these bad boys. Kind of prefer the New Balance. The 1080 is a little more, but the Vomero Plus is definitely up there with those. 110 for these. This is like the cheapest you'll see for these. These are 10 halves, the size 9 men's. Yeah, 110. That's like the cheapest. Ooh, look. What's this? This is 165 for the premiums right there. But yeah, I did see a Jordan 1 low. I forgot to show you guys that. Size 14. They barely have size 12s, and then they threw this 14 in right here. What the hell? 120. I'm moving on to the more normal sizes. 8.5, I think this one I'm at. And looks like these just got out the aisles because I see a ton of them. Oh, but it's been like that with everything. Look at these dunks. 90 bucks. Look at these ones with the ribbon laces. 85. This right here. What are they talking about? 90. Forces down here, slightly different. 80. Cortezes right here, 65. Remember, you get 30% off everything on the back wall. Size 9 dunks right here, 65. And a lot of the same old. Ooh, this is different. $40. $40 for size 7. Remember, you get an extra 30% off. Okay, that comes up to what, 28 bucks, $28. There's some classic Cortez. Size 8 women Vomeros. By Vomeros, I mean Vomero Plus. 150 color is really interesting. But yeah, 150, 30 off. 7.5 forces right here. 125, got a few of those. All right, we're moving on to the aisles. They got 3 different Cortezes right here. And this one's down to 50 freaking dollars. That's not bad. Got a whole ton of dunk lows right here, which has been a trend. Hyper pink right here. Elemental pink, we've seen this forever. These dunks right here, got some light pink and some bright pink on those. And then got free Metcon 6s, all black, mostly black. Was a Sandrift sale, lilac bloom, white Aquarius blue, and then all kinds of generics. And in the running section, we're starting to see Vomero Pluses, regular Vomero 18s. This is an all-white one, mostly black. Some calm slides for recovery. And then Pegasus premiums right here. I think this is the one we saw originally on sale. I think it was at the Shoe Palace outlet, or Shoe Palace clearance store. Converse outlet right here. Look at this. I've never seen this. Staffing issues? Damn. They can't hire nobody, or fools ain't showing up to work? What's going on here? What the hell? One of the biggest reasons I came was to come here. I did order a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna try it on because I ordered stuff and it didn't fit. I had other stuff that didn't fit, so I want to try some of this stuff on. They do have 50% off everything here. Material that they use on everything at Banana Republic. Like, I know the factory stores, actually, it's actually not the same stuff. You can actually see the 3 stars right there. It's actually not this, 3 diamonds, and that indicates it's an outlet. But the materials are so good compared to almost everywhere else. And look at the clearance items, 60% off clearance items. Finally found my favorite tank tops. These are so freaking thick. Freaking love this tank top. So freaking thick and price decent. I think I paid like $12 a tank top or something like that. Yeah, I accidentally ordered a small and they're just way too tight. This is like kind of perfect, kind of tight, but not like 100% tight. And it's interesting because I ordered these t-shirts, exact same material. This one, the small fits perfectly, but the tank tops, I have to get a medium. Kind of weird. And I got them in white as well. I got white tank tops. I got black tank tops. I'm so happy. It's not bad. It's like I like how thick it is. Oh man, I drank so much last night. I feel fat. But yeah, I like these tank tops. They're hella thick. So that was the medium tank top. This is a small t-shirt. It's the exact same material. I don't know how. I don't know. I don't know what's up with their sizing. I got a bunch of smalls at home, so I need to return all of those. But yeah, what a dope purchase, man. I'm happy.